There you are, how to actually become a YouTuber. Hey, if you've been wanting to be a YouTuber, you just got on the right video. I'm going to show you how to do the simple steps that you need to become a YouTuber, and we're starting right now. You know, it's really not that complicated. A lot of people try and they aren't successful on YouTube, but it's because they're missing one of the 11 steps I'm about to give you right now. And I've got a bonus for you at the end too. I've got a free course I want to give you about how to make some money online, but let's go ahead and get into this video first. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is define what successful is. Okay, if you want to be a YouTuber and you want to make videos and do all this stuff, what exactly does that look like? Is that a certain number of subscribers? Is that how much money you're going to make? Is it fame and notoriety? What exactly is it? Because if you don't define that, it's kind of hard to tell if you got there or not. And keep in mind, if you're picking money here, you're not going to make money off ads in the beginning. It's just not going to happen. It takes a while. You got to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So you kind of got to set that on the back burner and work on your channel more and work on other streams of income. Number two, you got to define your channel's content. What is it going to be about? Who's going to be watching your channel? Now, yeah, it can be fun shooting videos. It's fun, but it's also work. Today I'm shooting videos for my YouTube channel. This is one of them. This is one of 12 that I'm shooting today. So that's a lot of videos. That's a lot of content, but it's also a lot of work, and you got to realize it is a job. Okay, so making these videos on YouTube are going to take you a lot of time and a lot of effort, and if you're not willing to put forth that time and effort, you're not going to be a YouTuber. It's not going to happen. Number three, you got to map it out. How are you going to do all this? What equipment are you going to need? How many hours are you going to spend working on this? You've got to map this out, guys. This is something you really have to plan, and you've got to make time for it. I think a lot of people say they want to have a YouTube channel, and then when they feel like making a video, they'll go ahead and make a video, but unfortunately it doesn't work that way. This is a real business. You really have to put forth the effort. You've got to have the equipment you need. Now, in the beginning, can you use your iPhone and stand in front of something that's lit? Yeah, you could do that. However, on down the road, you're going to want to improve it. You're going to want to get more equipment. You're going to need to know what you need. Number four, you want to make sure that your page channel is welcoming. It's something that people want to go to. Understand, this is a visual medium. Let's check out mine right here. All right, so here's my page right here, and you can see it has a banner at the top. It states clearly what I do. I help people start, run, and grow online businesses. That's pretty clear. And if you notice over here also, I have some links that go to different things, some of my other websites. I've got a video there in the center, which is a video that I've programmed to pop up at a certain time, and then below that I have my other videos. But basically it looks professional. Okay, it looks like something people would want to stay at. You've got to do the same thing with your channel. I've seen so many channels where they don't even have a banner, they don't have a picture there, they don't have links, they haven't set what videos are going to play when they go to the channel. Understand, people will watch one of your videos, they'll search and watch one of your videos, and then they'll go to your channel to see what other videos you have. And if they get there and it looks like it's incomplete, they're going to leave, and you're not going to get subscribers. Number five, mind your SEO on your channel. I think a lot of people forget about this. The way channels are found are the same way that videos are found. You have to put the right keywords in there. You've got to SEO it correctly, or your channel's not going to come up. Now, some people will actually put in a few keywords like how to make money online, and then they will sort by channel so they can find channels that talk about that particular subject. If you don't have all that set up in your account and you don't have all that SEO done, then you're behind the 8 ball. Okay, you need to have all that fixed. Now, the best way to go about this is find some successful channels that are in the same niche as you, and use something like TubeBuddy, which I'll put a link below. It's a free software, and you can actually see what keywords they're using on their channel, and you can use similar keywords on yours. Number six is be consistent. Now, this is something I struggled with when I first started, because I didn't really know how it works. I didn't quite understand. YouTube loves consistency. They love consistency. So if you start making a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you keep doing that, you're going to have that consistency. Now, if you make 2 or 3 videos in a week, and then you wait a month, and then you upload 5 more, and then you wait 2 weeks, and then you upload 1 video, you'll never grow your channel. It's not going to happen. You need to decide how many videos a month you're going to do, and you need to spread those out. So if you're going to only do 4 videos a month, that's fine. It's going to take you a little bit longer to grow, but you'll want to do it once a week on the same day and the same time. You need to have this consistency. As YouTube algorithm starts to search your platform and see this, they're going to realize that you're always doing this on a Monday, you're always doing this on a Wednesday, you're doing it at 10 a.m. whatever it is, and that's what feeds the algorithm, having that consistency in there. You've got to have consistency. Number 7 is get to the point. Super important. Now, when I started this video, I told you what the video was going to be about, and then I immediately jumped into number 1 and what it was. Okay, so number 7 is get to the point. People don't have time to waste with long bumpers in the beginning, with long explanations about who you are or what you've done. They want their question answered, and if you don't answer it quickly in the beginning, they're going to click off and they're going to go to another video. So if something takes 5 minutes to explain and you're taking 20 minutes in your video to explain it, you're going to lose viewers. You're just going to lose viewers. Now the question is, well, how long should my video be then? It should be long enough to concisely explain whatever you want to say or demonstrate whatever you want to demonstrate. Now ideally a video should be between 10-14 minutes. They tell you at least 8 minutes. I like to do a little bit longer to get a little bit more watch time, but I can't just fill that time with fluff. It's got to be actual usable information or the viewer is going to click away. Number 8 is keep up with your niche, whatever your niche is. Now my niche is selling stuff online. So since I sell stuff online, I have people who are affiliates, I have people who have products, I have people who have digital products, I have people who sell their services, and I need to know all those different areas. You want to be looked at as an expert in your niche, and mine is making money online, whatever that encompasses. So whatever new software that comes out, I've got to be on top of that. People want to know, you know, is this a good email marketing software? And by the way, you want to get KARTRA for the best email marketing software, best funnel builder, best everything. A little off track here, but go down in the description section at the end of this video and you can watch what KARTRA will do for you, and you can get a trial for $1. That is my affiliate link. But anyhow, I have to stay on top of this stuff. If I don't know about these things, I can't share it with my audience. If something new comes out or a new way of sending emails or texting people comes out and I don't cover it, then they're not going to come to this channel to get the information they need, and my channel won't grow. So it's super important that you stay on top of your niche. You can't learn about this one thing that you're teaching and never learn anymore. You've got to consistently learn more and more and more every single day so that your audience stays on top of the niche too. Number 9 is manage your community. Now what do I mean by that? I mean that you've got to stay involved. People, when they watch your videos, they want to have that one-on-one connection with you, and they may comment on something. If they comment on something, and you guys are welcome to comment, you'll see I'll do this, you've got to comment back. You've got to respond to them. They are actually trying to reach out to you by writing something on your video in the comment section, and guys, feel free to do that. I would love it if you reached out to me. They're giving you some feedback. If you ignore them and you never respond to them and you never go back to the comments, they're going to quit doing it. And other people who are thinking about commenting, if they look in there and they see that you never respond to anybody, they're going to say, well, that's a waste of time. Now why is this important? Well, it's important because if YouTube sees that people are interacting with your video by putting comments, by subscribing, you know, by giving you a thumbs up or whatever it is, they're going to push your content out to more and more viewers, and you're going to get more viewers, you're going to get more subscribers. So you've got to be part of it. Another great thing to do, and I do it a lot lately, is I go live. I go live and just answer their questions. They have different questions about different things and they want to know about it. I go live and I help them out that way. I do it at 9 a.m. in the morning. I have regulars that show up and watch the videos, and then I have new people that pop in there too, and they can see that I'm actually trying to help them out, and that makes more subscribers come in. Number 10, spread the word with a killer website. Yeah, I really recommend you having a website, guys. It's so important that if they watch your video, they have someplace else to go to get more information about you. They can see different products, different services, whatever it is that you have to offer. If you don't have a website to back up all this, you're missing out. You really are missing out, because people who like you, who like your videos, who like your content, they're going to want to get more information from you. And yes, that's more work. It's going to cost you more work. It's going to take you more time, but that's what it's going to take to be a YouTuber. If you're serious about this, then you need to do these things. And if you don't want to do these things, don't waste your time and make any videos at all, because if you don't do these other things, your channel won't grow. It's super important that you do it. Number 11, learn from the analytics. Inside YouTube Studio is going to have all your analytics. You're going to see how long they're watching your videos. You're going to see which videos are the most viewed videos. So I would also go in after you have 100 or 200 videos, which may sound like a lot to you, but it really isn't. Your first 100 videos is really your learning platform. And I don't want to disappoint anybody watching this video and you had ideas that you could do 20 videos and go viral and make $1 million. It's not going to happen. It just doesn't happen. It's extremely rare for that to happen. Usually what happens when somebody makes, say, 20 or 50 videos and they get a huge audience, it's because they already had another channel and they were telling the people in the other channel, hey, I started a new channel, come on over here and check this out. That's normally how it's done. I looked at a channel the other day from KARTRA, and I watch him, and he does a lot of cooking stuff. He's gained some weight, so he started another channel called Chubby QT, which is the first initial of each of his names, and he got a lot of subscribers real fast, and he got thousands of views, but it's because he already put in all the work on his first channel and he brought over a lot of those people. Now, will he get new subscribers off that channel? Of course he will. But you'll find a lot of YouTubers will have 2, 3, 4 channels. I know one guy has 20 different channels, because once you built up that audience, you can push them to another channel and quickly build up another channel. But if you think you're going to do that in the beginning, it's not going to happen. It takes time. You've got to put in the effort. Now, another good little hack here, and something you can do, is go to one of your competitors' channels, somebody who's got a lot of subscribers, a lot of views, that type of thing. Go in there and click on their videos when you're inside the channel and sort by the most popular video, the most viewed videos, and look at those videos. Can you do a video that's similar to that video? Because what you're doing is actually borrowing data from another channel. They've already figured out certain things work on their channel. Odds are it's probably going to work on your channel too. So find that video that's done really well, try to make a better version of that video. Maybe yours is a little bit longer, maybe yours goes into a little bit more depth, maybe yours has a little bit better edits to it, maybe the quality of the filming is better, but try to improve upon something that was already successful. This is a really great hack for anybody growing their channel. So with those steps, you can be a YouTuber too. You can actually do that. Now, I also told you that I have a course. It's a $97 course. It's below in the description. All you have to do is click and learn. It's absolutely free. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it. Put some comments below. Have you already started a channel? What's your channel about? I want to hear about it. What are your ideas? What do you want to do? What are you going to make videos on? Put that in the comments below. If you have questions about how to make videos or how to grow your channel or how to make money online, put that in the comment section below. I really appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit that subscribe button down there. If it's red, you need to click it and turn it gray. It'll turn gray once you subscribe, but then you gotta ring the bell. You got to turn on all bell notifications so that you're notified every single time I do a new video or I go live. And don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Only takes you a second to click it. Just click and give me that thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.